Welcome to
Sleep Inn and Suites, Gatlinburg. Gatlinburg is every family's favorite escape, loaded with charm and attractions for all ages to enjoy.
Staying with us opens the door to great amenities and easy access to the very best of what this area has to offer.
See sharks and penguins up close at Ripley's Aquarium, or spot local Tennessee wildlife outside a Great Smoky Mountain National Park.
Now, what most sets us apart from other hotels in the area, however, is our commitment to first-class service.
End each day with a walk through the shops of downtown Gatlinburg and a delicious meal at one of the nearby restaurants. Depend on us for clean, comfortable rooms and prices you can always afford. Previous reviews show us to be a great place to stay for comfort, value, and convenience. SleepInEastParkway.com